Want to streamline your workflow and select only the images you need for processing in your mapping software? I showed how to do this for a very small area before, but here's a quick hack showing you how to do that using Lightroom's map module, which is much easier and better for larger areas. Start by loading the images you've captured during your mapping job into Lightroom and then switch over to the map view. If your photos have GPS data, they'll appear as markers on the map. To filter down to just the area you need, zoom in until only the relevant images are visible. From the map menu, select the option that says Visible on Map. Now any actions you take will be limited to just the images displayed and nothing else. Now in the film strip at the bottom, only these visible images remain active. Press Command-A on Mac or Control-A on Windows to select them all. From here, you can export them to a new folder that will contain only the images that you want to process. This keeps your workflow efficient, avoiding unnecessary processing and saving time. Try this technique for your next mapping project. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.